welcome back to my channel. How are you all? So today we are attempting a smoky eye, like this smoky eye, very favorable for the party vibe when you're going to go to a club wearing a little black dress, and this is the look you can really go for. And definitely this is how I did cut my bangs. If you haven't seen that video where I cut my bangs, I would recommend you to go to my video in the eye somewhere. I will link it so that you can see how to get your bangs at home. So yeah, that's that. So yes guys, let's go. I'm already done with base makeup. Today we are not going to go with the patches. Usually when I go with smoky eyes, I like to go like in this circular motion, like all around my eyes and the shape of my eyes, because I think a smoky eye looks better that way when everything is more on the rounded side than that winged side. So that is one thing. I have already done the whole entire base makeup. Only the lipstick is left because I need to figure out how I really want to do that. So I have already set the lid as well. Today I have already set it with a good compact. We are going to go with a gel eyeliner, and this one is from Purple. If you have seen my graphic eyeliner tutorial video, you would have seen this already. So this is how it is. It is jet black. It is really pretty. The reason I'm going with a gel eyeliner is because the intensity of the smoky eye with a gel eyeliner is better. Definitely you can go with black eyeshadow as well, but I believe black eyeshadow, just you have to put them, then you have to blend them. Obviously with the gel eyeliner it's even a bigger task, but I would rather go with that. Also, I do not have like a lot of black eyeshadow. I just have this one particular black eyeshadow with me, and yeah, okay, dropped something again. And another palette that I'm going to use is this one, Mocha Mix from Nikake, and the reason I'm using this is because of the browns it has. It is easier to blend a black using a brown than to just like with any other color. You can use any other color as you want, but I would rather prefer a brown because it's easier to blend it with a black. So that's one thing. Starting off with a purple eyeliner, I am taking a very dense, like a very stiff kind of brush. Can you see the way it is? I'm going to take it, right? This is very like very soft and everything, so I'm just going to put it near my lash line. Okay, I might have taken a lot than required, but whatever. So before it really, I'm just taking another soft brush. Before it really dries down, I'm just going to take it along the lash line and I'm just going to puff it. You see, it's very creamy, it's very matte black. I'm just taking it on the crease, in the shape of my crease. That is what we want right now. At the same time, I'll be trying to wing it out as well, right, this way. Now you do not have a lot of time when working with the gel eyeliner, so you have to be very careful about it. And this is what we have reached. I'm also taking it a little bit over here so that I know what to really go for, so that we have like a proper shape going on. I think this is good, right? Now I am going to go with the brown color. This is the type of eye shape I wanted. Now I will go with the brown and then we'll finish this one better. So taking the darkest brown shade on a fluffier brush, we are going to go on the crease and make it look like very cohesive. So wherever the black is, it's better to go with the black first and then the brown, because it just gets easier to like create that transition than to first go with the brown, then the black, then the brown again. So you wouldn't use a lot of product but still get the result you really wanted. And this is how I'm going to take it, in the same shape of the cat eye. I'll be taking a cleaner, fluffier brush. Now I'm going with a very dramatic smoky eye. You necessarily do not need to do this whole entire shape. You can just go around the circles, but I am going on with a dramatic look, so I have done that. Now I'm taking a fluffier brush, a clean fluffier brush, and I'm going to go with a very light brown color, and we are going to like diffuse the darker brown into the face. You can definitely go with the darker brown again, just to intensify it a little bit. I'm going to take a little bit of the black color and I am taking it over here a little bit to create a little darkness. Maybe I could have taken the I'll just rough it. Now at this point, I think it's just looking good and everything. Now we shall take a little bit of the brown color from this palette on a smudger brush. I'm just going to take this particular brown color, and where the brown meets black, we are just going to create like a transition. So you can see what I'm doing over here. So taking the same black eyeshadow on a smudger brush, we're just going to put it on the lid to set all the gel eyeliner in place and to ensure that our black is jet black, matte black, and like intense black. So we have reached here. Now we just have to finish it off. I'm taking a gel eyeliner from the K Beauty. I'm just putting it on the lower lash line, right? Both the eyes, and I'm taking it on a very thick level, and I'm just going to take the smudger brush. I'm going to smudge it. I'll take this shade on the inner corner, to give like a tinge of color as well, right? So I think this is good, like a little bit of coperiness to the whole smokiness. I think a red lipstick would look good with this. A brown would look good as well, pink, or whatever color you want to. I think I'll try something because I don't really have the red or the pink one. I just have the brown ones with me right now. So let me try that. Let me see what I should really go for, and then I'll be back. Guys, this is the final look. I did not go for the red lip because that was looking overly dramatic. I think this is like a perfect nude to go with like a smoky eye. I wanted to balance out everything. I think the red was looking overly dramatic and make me look like very bad, if that makes sense, because I don't have like a perfect red with me right now that looks like very flattering on me. So I went for the nude lip instead, right? So this is the look, and yeah, I would say like the video if you like this look, you like this video, you like me, and if you think I can help you out, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.